Hello again, this is my model railway news update. Marklin are up first this time around and they have a new club model. Definitely worth listening up for this, as all their recent club models have been out of this world good, and this feels like it's right up there too. This is the magnificent Class 06, number 002 of the German Federal Railway, an awesome new HO scale redesign of this 484 express loco. The history of the 06 started in 1939 when the German Reichsbahn presented the two streamlined giants 001 and 002. These imposing express train locomotives achieved a power output of over 3,500 horsepower. However, due to the Second World War, only two were ever made. After the war, they ended up in DB hands and were run for a while. However, really this size of loco was uneconomical to keep running, and with reduced need, they were both scrapped in 1951, sadly. This new model is presented without the streamlining and fitted to the T38 coal tender. It also has the two light headlights, WIT smoke deflectors, and single-sided inductive train protection. It comes with the usual features you'd expect, including a mostly metal construction, a host of lighting features, a smoke generator and a stay alive. Available in Marklin branding or 2Rail Tricks branding, it's limited to Marklin Club members and will be available to purchase in 2026. The price is set at €699, which is very high indeed, but this is an impressive machine, and also if you consider it as perhaps an investment, the club models are pretty good too, holding their value well. If you fancy one, you'll need to be quick to grab one though. As normal, a match set of rolling stock is also offered, and this time it's a set of 3 Type AB4U28 express coaches, all first and second class. Also, with a host of lighting features, these match to the loco perfectly and are priced at €329 for the limited set. From the huge to the small, as Marklin also offered this in Z scale, the Class 65 tank engine in Era 3 DB livery. It's a completely new design and a finely detailed model with a metal boiler and chassis. It's also got directional lights plus a fully detailed cab including lighting as well. Incredible for a model only 7 centimeters long. Price on this for club members is €269. Also for club members, but this time in 1/45th scale, is this Fuchs cable excavator, which is also a club model, this time at €59.59. It's non-operational but features sheet and cast metal construction and posable parts. It also comes in a special box with certificate and will be available in 2026 too. N-Scale Modelers got a new Minitrix model for club members in the form of this Class 03 locomotive, which is made of die-cast metal. It includes a T30 short tender, new steam cylinders, and engine lighting. It also comes with a host of digital lighting and sound features. I'm not sure of the price on this one just now, so I'll get back to you on that when I know. I don't think the LGB Club model is as impressive though. Sure, it's interesting, an SOEG observation car in G-scale complete with tourist figures. Sure, it's a nice looking thing, but after seeing what's on offer for the other scales, this looks a bit lackluster. Marklin also released their 2025 Christmas advert, and god damn does it pull at heartstrings. I mean, some of the ones they've done in the past have been either downright gloomy or just disturbing, but this is almost too sickly sweet. Would love to hear a critical drinker review of this one. Good production values and all, but my god, you need a sick bag. Or maybe I'm just an old cynic. Bah humbug. Rapido trains have been busy again, they always seem to be, and this week is no different. So let's start off with a production update on the Midland 483 with some painted samples. In 00 scale there is the BR and LMS variants, plus one in Midland Crimson and one in S and DJR Blue. These are definitely good looking locos, adding to Rapido's growing range of world-class steam models. There's been some minor improvements needing done with some livery updates and missing detail parts that have been fed back to the factory for correction in final production models over these samples. However, you can really see how good looking these locos are with outstanding finishes and crisp company logos, shed plates and lettering. Also, all the separately fitted parts take the cab interior detail to another level, and helping to bring these controls to life is a flickering dynamic firebox glow, which works well with all the details inside the cab. If you want one, the order book closes on Monday the 1st of December, so don't delay if you do. Order directly or through the usual retailers. Another project at the decorated sample stage is the LNER J52-2 shown here. This green one apparently has been matched with the Sterling single models, plus all other liveries are in line with existing ready-to-run models. There's only a small number of these still left to pre-order from this batch, so possibly all liveries aren't still available. Best to check their website. The march of the Evolution coaches continues with decorated sample photos of 3 of the most colourful and eye-catching liveries in Batch 1, and these will match well with certain Steam projects coming soon too. The teak effect ones have really come on a lot and look really superb, bound to be popular, but all of them promise to be very highly detailed and superbly decorated. Again, only limited numbers left to pre-order in Batch 1, they're going fast. But it's not all passenger services, as their continuing expansion of teeny tiny wagons continues with these decorated samples of the GWR Diagram 019 Open Sea long wheelbase models. There's a raft of livery options to choose from, but going by these 2 sample photos, they look spot on, and another fine wagon to add to Rapido's range. So moving on, and just in time for Christmas, Peco and Railway Modeler have their 2026 special book out now. This is a great gift idea, as this book covers a number of topics that any rail fan or modeler will enjoy reading. At less than £10, it's a great stocking filler. Okay, enough of the 47s already. KMRC is to blame this time with a new livery on the Bachmann Class 47. This is the upgraded tooling, and here in the Network Southeast livery as 521. Honestly, I can't be bothered saying anything more about 00 Class 47s. Dapol have released a new service that no one ever asked for. It's a special Christmas model with your name on it, as long as your name is under 10 letters. Available in either N scale, 00 or O gauge, this open wagon can be printed with any of these 4 round logos and your name underneath for £11 in N scale, $15.20 for 00 scale, and £55 for O gauge. Not bad really for a complete one-off model. I wonder if this kind of custom decoration offering will be expanded. Just a note on Remembrance Day, which is coming soon, an important day for us all, and Oxford Diecast are offering these 2 models. This is a Mercedes ambulance and a Scania CP31 pump ladder, created as tribute to the UK Armed Forces and Emergency Services. Each model features a specially designed livery that reflects remembrance and unity and comes presented in bespoke packaging. For every sale, a donation will be made to charity as well. Also, buy both together now and you'll get an additional free model, which I think is this Bedford fire engine. Either way, it's a worthy cause, so head on over to the Oxford website now to pick up these models and support those who serve and those we remember. Anyway, that's the video folks, thanks for watching. I'm sure there'll be more coming soon, so subscribe to keep yourself up to date, and I'll see you on the next one.
So model trains, model worlds, choo choo, model trains, tiny train, in tiny worlds, choo choo, model trains, tiny trains.